What's up, guys? Ripping a couple boxes of 2014 Bowman Chrome Jumbo. These are for Brent S. Good luck, Brent. Let's see what you got. Fire cut. Look at that. Red refractor auto right out of the gate. 4 of 5 Levon Washington. Holy crap. First pack auto red refractor. Unbelievable. Congratulations, Brent. Unreal. 4 of 5. Red refractor auto Levon Washington. Unbelievable. First freaking pack. Sick. You gotta be kidding me. To 150 George Springer die cut. Sparkle of Crick. Mini of Baez. Bubble of Kyle Seager to 99. Brantley refractor base die cut. Ramos refractor sparkle of Guerrero. Got a purple Abreu rookie to 150. Another fire cut. Sparkle of Tellez. Next auto is Ryan McNeil, base auto. Mini of Soler, blue Colton Wong. Blue Danny Winkler, fire cut of Bogarts. Mini of Will Myers. Next auto is base autograph Cody Reed. Base die cut and another auto of Ryan Hafner. Last pack of box 1. Base die cut, and your last auto in box 1 is Jason Martin. How about that, man? Red freaking auto numbered to 5. I don't know if he's any good or not, but it's an Indians prospect. Hopefully he turns out to be good. I don't think there really got to be much of anything. Red autos always sell for a lot of money. Even the crappy players. They're just super rare. Fire cut base. Base autograph Johnny Field. Sparkle of Guerrero. And we got an auto to 150. Blue autograph Jake Sweeney. Mini of Pujols. Refractor Austin Wilson. Got a carbon refractor of Brett Gardner, number to 10. Unreal. Got a 5 and a 10. Brett Gardner, carbon. 10 of 10. Unreal. Very nice. Sparkle of Tellez again. Mini of Freeman. Bubble refractor, Colton Wong, number to 99. Will Myers refractor and a base die cut. Mini of Sano and another auto numbered to 500. Refractor auto Yency Almonte. Base die cut and base auto of Jacob Johansson. Or Jakob. It could be Jakob Johansson. Or it's Jacob Johansson. I don't know. Maybe he plays hockey. Colton Wong blue again. Fire cut of Snow. Another base die cut. We got a redemption. Prospect autograph, red parallel. You got to be shitting me. 2 reds in 2 boxes. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 2 reds in 2 loose boxes. Both autoed. Franklin Barreto this time. You've got to be kidding me. Crazy. What are the freaking odds of that? That's unbelievable. Purple Tulowitzki to 150. Fire cut of Abreu. Brantley refractor and a sparkle of Kato. That's it, Brent. 2 red autos. That's all I could do for you, man. Sorry.